Welcome back to my channel. So here we have a question. 2 raised to power x plus x is equal to 20 and we need to solve it for x. How do we proceed in these questions? Solution. I need to know two things. What? First thing is that e raised to power ln x or something is equal to x, right? This is a logarithmic rule. And another thing is Lambert function. What is Lambert function? This is w of a e raised to power a. A e raised to power a means you have these two things same, right? Then you get a here. So whenever we want to apply Lambert function, we always need to have this type of thing. Okay, so we will see here, we will apply these two things in our question. Here we have 2 raised to power x plus x is equal to 20. Can I write it as 2 raised to power x is equal to 20 minus x, right? I just told you that e raised to power ln x is x. So if I have something, can I write it as this e raised to power ln? This would not affect this because whatever I have here, suppose this is t. So I am writing it as e raised to power ln t. Okay. So why am I doing that? You will understand now. Is equal to 20 minus x, right? Okay. There is a rule that e raised to power log or ln x a, or I will not write e raised to power ln x raised to power a is a ln x. Okay, that this a comes here, so this x will come here. E raised to power x ln 2 is equal to 20 minus x, right? Okay, now after this I need to solve this. Okay, how will I solve this? Can I write it as one variable? 20 minus x is t. Okay, let 20 minus x is t. Then x will be equal to 20 minus t, right? Okay, substituting. Suppose I say this is 1 in equation 1. You will get e raised to power 20 minus t ln 2 is equal to t, right? Now I will solve it further. E raised to power 20 ln 2 times e raised to power minus t ln 2 is equal to t, right? I just opened the bracket. This is e ln 2 raised to power 20. So this is equal to, if I take this to the right side, it will become t e raised to power t ln 2. Now as we can see, we have t ln 2 in the power. So here as well we need to have t ln 2 to apply Lambert function. So what we will do, multiply with ln 2 on both sides. Left hand side is what? 2 raised to power 20, right? Times ln 2. Why? Because this e and log cancelled out. So it's 2 raised to power 20 ln 2 is equal to t ln 2 e raised to power t ln 2. Now we can see that this function and this both are same. So that means now we can apply Lambert function. So applying Lambert function on both sides. we will get W of 2 raised to power 20 ln 2 is equal to W of t ln 2 e raised to power t ln 2, and this would become, this is W is of 2 raised to power 20 ln 2 is equal to t ln 2, right? W of a e raised to power a is a, right? So here now we have t is equal to W of 2 raised to power 20 ln 2 by ln 2, right? But we don't need to find the value of t, we need to find the value of x. What is t now? T is 20 minus x is W of 2 raised to power 20 ln 2 by ln 2. This implies x is equal to 20 minus W 2 raised to power 20 ln 2 by ln 2, and this is our final answer for x. And these values you can find on scientific calculators. Okay, so I hope you understood this. If you got it, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.